my name's Charles McCurley, and I'm going to be acting as the team's coordinator for this assignment. And so some of my tasks as a coordinator was just delegating roles, making sure everybody was doing stuff that matched with their strengths, and I didn't do stuff that were matching with their weaknesses. I set up due dates, meeting times, all of that stuff. I also wrote a fourth of the report, and I'm going to be compiling the report together. I am also helped with a little bit of the GitHub setup with the Pi. Let's see. So what I learned is how to really collaborate with team members and do teamwork, and I feel like this is going to help a lot in future classes and especially jobs, because in the real life workplace, it's just going to be all projects with people you probably don't even know. And you're going to have to learn how to communicate effectively and collaborate. I think the most challenging aspect of this entire experience so far was being able to get everybody together at certain times. We had a real difficult time getting a time where all of us could be here. So that was our most challenging aspect. And that's it for me.
Okay. Hi, my name is Cameron Manning, and I'm a junior at PSU. I was responsible for setting up GitHub for all of our project members. And we had a former member who was actually responsible for Slack and setting that up, but since I set up GitHub, I'm just going to assume that role for now until that changes. But what I learned about GitHub was that it's a very intrinsic coding platform. Any kind of project that you can have, just place it in there for everyone to see, whether it be for the individual or the project or an entire group setting. It's very useful indeed. And I also learned that it was really hard to set up the Pi. So, Chad?
Alright, hey, my name is Chad Fabiano. I'm a junior and obviously a computer science major. I was in charge of all the Raspberry Pi stuff with the ARM assembly programming and setting up the SSH key with the Pi. Found out it was pretty tricky, but I'm happy I learned it. I had to learn how to write code in the Nano and also using the Unix assembler for ARM and everything like that. Dallas helped me a lot with the code and everything, and I had to rely on the GitHub for the folders and everything. We found out how to write the math assembly code and then to use the registers to add it together and everything that we wanted. And this will definitely help me later on in group projects and my computer science degree. So.
Hi, my name is Jerry Sadu. I'm a computer science major and information systems minor. I helped set up the YouTube and as well as going to upload the video on YouTube. Doing this project, I was able to learn how GitHub worked and what exactly it was, and also a little bit about how to set up the Pi. It will help in the future because, of course, a lot of jobs use GitHub, and also in future projects setting up the Pi and understanding what I'm doing. The best thing was for me that I got out of this project was learning how to set up the Pi, of course, because we learned that stuff in class. And the worst thing was probably trying to meet up at the same time with